Now next point in our ionic equilibrium, that is solubility product. What is in solubility product? During the qualitative analysis, if a test of solution containing basic radical of a particular group, then on addition of group reagents a precipitate is formed. For example, if the test of solution containing AgNO3 containing Ag positive ion and NO3 negative ion. Now this Ag positive ion of the group first, qualitative analysis, then the addition of group reagent for this group first, that is dilute HCl to the test solution while the precipitate is formed. When you added this Ag positive with HCl, AgNO3 plus HCl, now there is a formation of AgCl plus HNO3. A precipitate is an insoluble solid that separate out from the solution. The precipitate is less soluble or sparingly soluble. This AgCl is sparingly soluble. Now the formation of precipitate depend on the solubility. Precipitate formation कशावर डिपेंड आहे तर सोल्युबिलिटीवर डिपेंड आहे. तर मग सोल्युबिलिटी म्हणजे काय एक्झॅक्टली, आता हे सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट पाहण्यासाठी आपण हे थोडं एक बेस क्रिएट करत आहोत. तर सोल्युबिलिटी काय असायला पाहिजे? सोल्युबिलिटी a maximum amount of substance that dissolve in a given amount of solvent at constant temperature, that is the solubility. Maximum amount of substance that dissolve in the given amount of solvent at constant temperature, that is solubility. If we increase the temperature, solubility is also increases. Now solubility is measured in, solubility आपण कशामध्ये मेजर करतो आहे? मोल पर dm cube मध्ये आपण solubility measure करतो आहे. Now this is depending upon the extent of solubility. Substances are classified either are soluble or insoluble, that is sparingly soluble. काही substances soluble आहेत, insoluble आहे, काही sparingly soluble आहे. If sufficient quantity of substance dissolve in a quantity of solvent like water or any, then the substance is soluble in water. We say substance is soluble in water. आपण म्हणतो की तो water मध्ये dissolve आहे. If the substance is slightly soluble or insoluble, the substance is insoluble or we say the sparingly soluble. Such substances precipitate out from the solution during the qualitative analysis. Now all ionic compounds are strong electrolytes, however their solubilities are different. काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण या ठिकाणी पाहूया. जसं की काही सोल्युबलचा आणि काही इनसोल्युबलचा क्रायटेरिया घेऊया. सोल्युबल आहेत, इनसोल्युबल आहेत. उदाहरणार्थ आपण बघूया की AgNO3 सोल्युबल आहे. नाउ AgCl, Ag2SO4, Ag3PO4 insoluble. Then FeSO4, FeCl3 soluble in water. Now another example, that is FeOH/2, FePO4, they are insoluble. नंतर CaCl2 soluble in water, CaSO4 sparingly soluble, CaCO3 insoluble. Now NaCl, NaOH, NaNO2, Na2SO4, all they are the soluble. Another, that is our NaNO3, Na2CO3, they are also soluble in water. Now the solubility product पाहण्यासाठी ह्या थोड्याफार गोष्टी आपल्याला पाहणं आवश्यक होतं. आता आपण वळूया एक्झॅक्टली सोल्युबिलिटी प्रॉडक्टकडे. तो एक नेमका काय, आपल्याला एक स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सॉल्ट घ्यायचा आहे AgCl. तुम्हाला सोल्युबिलिटी सांगायची होती, त्यामुळे मी आता हे एवढं काय केलं आहे. काही कंपाऊंड सोल्युबल, काही इनसोल्युबल वगैरे पाहायचे होते आपल्याला. Now when a sparingly soluble salt electrolyte, that is our AgCl, it shake with water. AgCl आपण या ठिकाणी हा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट घेतो आहे. it shake with water, most of it remain undissolved in solid state and very small part of it dissolved. बराचसा पार्ट या ठिकाणी याचा अनडिझॉल्व असेल आणि काही पार्ट डिझॉल्व झालेला असेल. hence solid state is contact with dissolved electrolyte. However, this AgCl, this our silver chloride. Silver chloride is a strong electrolyte and it dissolve in water and dissociate in this form. It is sparingly soluble salt आहे. हा डिसोसिएट होतो आहे. Ag positive plus Cl negative. Now applying the law of mass action to this equation, या इक्वेशनला आपण लॉ ऑफ मास ॲक्शन अप्लाय करूया. Equation 1, here we put K equals to concentration of Ag positive into concentration of Cl negative to the concentration of AgCl. Okay, concentration of pure solid is treated as a constant here. Now this AgCl is a pure solid. Now this concentration of this AgCl is put as a constant. Therefore, concentration of AgCl, this is in solid state, is constant. It is called K dash. Now K equals to concentration of Ag positive into concentration of Cl negative upon concentration of upon K dash. Now it become K into K dash equals to concentration of Ag positive into concentration of Cl negative. Here K into K dash equals to Ksp is the solubility product of salt. It is the S for solubility and P for product. Solubility product of the salt. Ksp is the solubility product of the salt AgCl. Now we write in this form Ksp equals to concentration of Ag positive into concentration of Cl negative. Thus, from this, the saturated solution of the sparingly soluble salt AgCl the product of ionic concentration in mole per dm cube at equilibrium is constant at constant temperature is called as the solubility product. आपण याला असं म्हणू शकतो. दुसऱ्या पद्धतीमध्ये आपण याला पण सांगता येईल आपल्याला. solubility product is defined as the product of concentration of ions rise to a power equal to its number in the equilibrium in a saturated solution at given temperature. ठीक है. Now this is all about our solubility product. Now relation between solubility and solubility product. Solubility आणि solubility product मध्ये रिलेशनशिप या ठिकाणी आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करायची आहे. रिलेशनशिप solubility and solubility product मध्ये relationship. Now here we consider a saturated solution of the sparingly soluble salt BA. BA नावाचा आपण या ठिकाणी एक सॉल्ट घेऊया. Now the dissociation of this BA, we take this salt BA, sparingly soluble salt BA, and dissociation of this salt BA is in this form, B positive plus A negative. Okay. Now however this BA is a strong electrolyte, it dissolves almost completely, hence the BA is undissociated, does not exist in dissolved state, hence the equilibrium is like this. Now applying the law of mass action to this equation, या इक्वेशनला इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ला आपण लॉ ऑफ मास ॲक्शन अप्लाय करूया. Now here K equals to concentration of B positive into concentration of A negative upon concentration of BA. Now BA is a sparingly soluble salt which is in solid state. Now K equals to the concentration of this sparingly soluble salt which is in solid state is constant, therefore concentration of BA is equal to K dash. B positive into concentration of A negative upon K dash. Now here we write K into K dash equals to concentration of B positive into concentration of A negative. Now here K into K dash, that is our KSP equal to concentration of B positive into concentration of A negative. This is the solubility product of BA. BA salt. पूर्वी एक्झाम्पल आपण घेतलं होतं AgCl चं, आता आपण स्पॅरिंगली सोल्युबल सॉल्ट घेतो आहे BA त्यामध्ये. ठीक आहे. नाउ वी टेक सम एक्झाम्पल्स. नाउ हियर लेट अस solubility of this BA be S मोल पर dm क्यूब. आता या ठिकाणी हा solubility या BA ची जी आहे S मोल पर dm क्यूब, but BA being strong electrolyte and sparingly soluble, its concentration dissolved state very small, and the dissociation completely. Hence S mole per dm cube is concentration of Ba. या डिसोल्यूशन जी आहे ते S mole per dm cube आहे. Ba dissolved, the concentration of B positive and concentration of A negative will be the S. Therefore Ksp equal to S into S, that is Ksp equal to S square. ओके, अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला बघता येईल. याच्या रिलेटेड काय आणखी एक दोन चार एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला पाहू. फॉर बायनरी सॉल्ट बी ए एक्झाम्पल आपण आत्ताच बघितलं. आता एक दोन एक्झाम्पल आपण पुन्हा घेऊ. फॉर Ba2 टाइप सॉल्ट, Ba2 टाइप सॉल्ट एक सॉल्टचा प्रकार आहे Ba2. याचं एक्झाम्पल घेऊया आपण MgOH/2 लाईक MgOH/2 हे एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आपण. डिसोसिएटेड Mg डायपॉझिटिव्ह प्लस 2 times OH निगेटिव्ह. नाउ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ॲट इक्विलिब्रियम कसं असेल. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ॲट इक्विलिब्रियम is become S, and that is our 2S. Now for the Ksp is become concentration of Mg dipositive into concentration of OH negative. Now here become S into 2S square, that is it become Ksp become 4S cube. Okay, for Ba2 type salt. Now again next example for Ba3 type salt. Ba3 type salt. Ba3 टाइप सॉल्ट घेऊया आपण आता. उदाहरणार्थ AlOH/3 हा सॉल्ट घेतलाय. डिसोसिएशन करूया. Al ट्रायपॉझिटिव्ह प्लस 3 times OH निगेटिव्ह. नाउ concentration at equilibrium, here S, here thrice S. Now Ksp becomes concentration of Al tripositive into plus 9 into concentration of OH negative. Then we write S into 3S its cube. Now it become S into 27 S cube, that is 27 S raised to power 4. ठीक है. Now I take another example, that is B3A2 type salt. B3A2 type. Ca3PO4 by 2. या ठिकाणी आपण सॉल्ट घेऊया. Ca3PO4 by 2. याचं बघा डिसोसिएशन 3 times Ca by positive plus 2 times PO4 try negative. Okay. Try negative. Now here KSP becomes concentration of Ca dipositive raised to power 3 into concentration of PO4 trinegative raised to power 2. Okay, now it become three s raised to power 3 into 2s raised to power 2. Now 27 s raised to power 3 and 4 raised to power 2, that is 27 by 4, that is 108 s raised to power 5. And this is the KSP for the salt type B3A2. Okay.